We have at the moment a council tax, which of course everyone pays on the basis of the value of their property, or at least actually on the basis of the value of their property back in 1991. The issue about the council tax is, I think, the only tax deliberately designed to be regressive. The amount that you pay goes up less than proportionally with the value of your property, and there's no band above band H. The mansion tax means different things to different people, but previous proposals have suggested an additional band on, or an additional tax on properties worth more than £2 million. That doesn't get very many properties. To raise much money, therefore, you need to put an enormous tax on those properties to get serious money in. Another option would be simply to increase the amount of tax that you charge for people in the very top band, band H, or the top couple of bands, band G and H, or preferably actually reform the entire system, actually value it basically on the current values of properties, and maybe make the system proportional to the value of the property rather than less than proportional. I'm sure that everyone thinks the current system's unfair because it involves taking money away from them. It is the case that the current system takes a lot more away, both in absolute terms and proportionately, to people on higher levels of income. There are things you could do which might take more money away from higher income people and make the system fairer. So certainly changes to council tax would be one of those things. Changes the way that capital gains tax regime works, changes the way the inheritance tax regime works, some changes the way the pension tax regime works. All of these things don't work very well at the moment and could be reformed in ways which both raise more money and raise that money from people pretty high up the income or wealth distribution.